If you're interested in keeping your cables together, clean, organized, and also with some added protection, then you need some of these great products from Parts Express. There are many different kinds of cable management, so we're going to take a look at a couple of the options. First, and most commonly, are cable ties and wraps. Always simple, you can use zip ties or Velcro wraps to keep everything pinned up and in order. Some even allow you to attach to walls, but if you're looking to do that, you may want to check out the cable Raceways. These will keep cables organized or hidden from view and work specifically for home theater, car audio, or networking for a professional finish. For long distances and even portability, use expandable braided sleeving. Slip your cables into this netted sleeve, and when you're done, you can tighten and even cut exactly to the length you need. Use this to turn many cables into one. Similar to the expandable braided sleeving, there's a Velcro version that will allow you to pull out specific cables wherever you need them. That way they're easy to move in case you change your mind. There's also a few plastic versions with the same idea that are split looms that also come with handy insert tools. These are all great ways to clean things up, and you can find them all right here at Parts Express.